Ever tried to unlock a treasure chest without the key? Frustrating, right? Well, unlocking your Transunion account can feel just as perplexing. Maybe you're trying to buy a house, get a new car, or simply check your credit score, and bam! You hit a roadblock. Your account is locked tight. Don't worry, you're not alone. Thousands of people face this issue. So, let's dive into the world of Transunion and figure out how to break free from this digital prison. First off, why is your account locked? It could be a security measure you set, or maybe someone else did it to protect your identity. Either way, it's a pain. But fear not, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. The most straightforward way to unlock your Transunion account is online. It's like finding a hidden passage in a video game. You need to navigate through Transunion's website, which can be a maze in itself. But don't worry, I'll be your trusty guide. You'll likely need some personal information to verify your identity. Think of it as showing your passport to get into a foreign country. Your full name, social security number, date of birth, and current address will be your golden tickets. Once you've proven you're the rightful owner of the account, you should be able to lift the freeze. It's like removing a padlock from a gate. Click the right buttons, and voila! Your account is unlocked. But what if the online route doesn't work? Don't panic. Transunion offers other options. You can call their customer service. Imagine calling a genie in a bottle. Just be prepared to wait. Customer service lines can be as crowded as Black Friday sales. If you're the old school type, you can also send a letter. Yes, snail mail still exists. This method might take longer, but it's a solid backup plan. Now, let's talk about temporary unlocks. Sometimes, you only need to unlock your account for a specific period. Think of it as borrowing a key for a short time. Transunion allows you to do this. It's like having a time-limited pass to an exclusive club. Remember, unlocking your account is just the first step. Once you're in, it's essential to protect your information. Change your password, set up security alerts, and monitor your account regularly. It's like fortifying your castle after a siege. So, there you have it. Unlocking your Transunion account might seem like a daunting task, but with the right information and a little patience, you can conquer this digital fortress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and most importantly, stay in control of your financial life.